Sige, akit na.
Okay. Okay, akit na, Ramil. Ayan. Medyo hirap po si Ramil ng konti. Ito din, sama mahawakan to. Ayan.
Mamaya mag-check-check na yung sticker. Kahit saan po ka dyan. Ay, sticker na malapit.
Dito ka na, malapit ka.
Sino may Mari sticker?
Wala nga ako eh.
Nasa tayo sticker
Ayan.
kanina?
Oh, sumunod yung ano.
Ito po. Ayan. Welcome, Ramil. Ayan. Ito po. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, meron na po tayo. Tumatagay na po. Salungan talaga. Nakikita niyo po yung mga participants ng ating ha?
Parang sino yung mga pangalan?
Si Chief of Staff, hindi pa natin na-interview.
Ayan. Ayan.
Si Chief of Staff.
Ayan.
Oy, nakanino yung mga pangalan?
Ha?
Name tag.
General, pare,
Nalilito. Ay, oo na.
General
Okay.
Marlon Bautista.
Okay. Medyo
Pare siya may ng Camp Capin.
Okay. Yan dito. Papresto tayo. Ayan.
Beta guide pa lang nainom
Ha?
pare.
Oh, yung camera. Galingan mo.
Dani talaga.
Ayan.
Okay, kayo. Pare, speaking yan.
I am now I am now with General 4-star. 4-star? Oh, sabi na nga ba? Oh, brother. I'm now with the brother of General Bautista. Marlon Bautista is our batchmate. Marlon, what's keeping you busy these days?
Wala naman, ito, sumasama sa mga outing ng mga classmates. Sa mga long lost friends.
Very good.
I-advertise mo daw yung ano mo, yung talyer mo, pare. Hindi pa tapos eh.
Kahit na. Ano to record naman, mapapanood to in the future.
Ayun, I'm busy with a repair shop ng mga old school cars. So, parang ano yan? Medyo ganon. Restoration. Mostly mga Japanese cars yung ginagawa namin.
So, anybody there na medyo mahilig sa vintage cars, contact Marlon. Marlon, paano ka ba makakontakt?
Well, my shop is at number 33 Eranio Manalo Street, formerly E. Rodriguez Street along Paliparan, Marikina.
Meron ka bang project ngayon na kombi?
Wala. Puro si Japanese cars yung mga ginagawa ko. So yung kombi, ano yan eh. Mga Euro yan eh. So that's a different line.
Alin? Kombi.
Volkswagen.
Yung kasi yung Lourdes School ako nun. Kombi yung service namin. Yung Marist ako, Harabas.
Kaya't nakapasok tayo sa Kapinpin.
Yes. Thank you, Danny, for curing me regarding that opportunity that we have now. We are privileged to be able to be in to have our picnic sa Camp Kapinpin. And thanks to Marlon and his brother, we are about
Maris alumni?
Yes, General Bautista is also a Maris alumni, 79 I think,
75 yata.
Okay. Marlon, how does it feel to be a brother and a fellow schoolmate ng isang chief of staff ng Armed Forces of the Philippines?
Well, nothing new kasi ever since naman, di ba, may military sa family. So, ngayon, parang, ito, meron ulit. Kumaga, yung kapatid ko naman, dati, daddy ko. So, ngayon, ito, kapatid ko naman. Parang, pareho lang. Nothing has changed. Hindi pa naman, kumaga, hindi ganun ka, hindi naman sa ganun ka, parang normal lang sa family na merong nasa military.
Thank you, Marlon, for that comment. Siguro,
Lumagpas tayo.
oh, lumampas na. Oh, kakanan.
Kanan dapat. Kanan dapat.
Mapapansin niyo po na we are currently trying to locate yung aming picnic
Doon
ground.
sa junction, dapat kumanan tayo.
Doon daw sa junction, dapat kumanan.
Okay, lipat na tayo.
Okay. Ayan. Thank you, Marlon.
In-interview mo si Marlon, kaya tayo lumagpas eh.
Parang isang bundok na lang, dagat.
Dito na, sige, pagbigyan na natin to. Wala na ma-interview eh. Sige, pagbigyan na.
Ayan. Gerard. In other words, kamusta ka?
Ito, okay pa rin. So far. Sige na. Okay.
Tawag dyan pare dati Angry Bird. Ngayon tawag Flappy Bird na pare.
Ayop ka magupad ka ng tsinelas. Atop ka dito sa bundok.
Star Softy. Pare-pansi yung Meralco. Oo.
Tandaan nyo lang kung kailangan pa mag-aral ng mga anak ko.
Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit malaki yung bill ng Meralco, yung sweldo na yan ay Gerald yan.
Pasensya na kayo, kailangan mag-aral pa eh. Ha? Isin nyo na lang.
Pero I'd like to thank Meralco for providing constant supply of electricity. Medyo may mga issues tayo sa Meralco. But come to think of it, kung wala yung Meralco, hirap tayo sa ating day-to-day lives. No?
Walang liwanag ang buhay.
Correct.
Ha? Ayop ka, Danny.
Pinapating. Tsaka, alam mo Gerald, ang payo ko lang sa'yo, magbara ka pare. Ang bastos mo.
Alam mo, palipat mo San Mateo, huwag Rizal. Ilagay mo sa Metro Manila.
Ayan po, close up po tayo ng breasts ni Gerard San Pedro.
Danny.
Sa mga supplier po ng mga bra, open po ang Meralco.
Double D.
Direct, saan na tayo? Ano? Tama na airtime. Okay. According to Direct, tama. Direct, yung patch ko nakadikit sa braso mo. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, thank you. Ayan.
Pare, limagan to ko.
Si Doji is now, nakita niya po si Doji sa ating camera ngayon. Doji, kamusta?
Okay lang. Okay lang.
What's keeping you busy ngayon?
Ganun pa rin, pumapasok sa Ilasco.
Saan?
Ilasco, company nila Sunny Boy.
Hindi, may sandwich naman ako so no problem. Anong company ulit?
Ilasco.
Elasco. Anong business ng Elasco?
Actually, trading. Kanila Sunny Boy yan. Tinayo ng tatay niya. Yung company na yan.
When you say trading, anong mga goods ito?
Marami. Meron sa industrial, may sa foundry.
Danny, okay pa Cam?
Meron sa industrial, sa foundry, sa glass. Marami.
Yan, thank you Doji. After so many years, ngayon na lang ulit kami nakita ni Doji Cabarrubia. Doji is the son of one of our teachers sa social studies. Yan. Ayan. Oh, ceremonial sip. At yan, ceremonial sip for batch 82. Thank you. Doji, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yung ating kung saan na rin pupunta yung shot.
Laki mo kasi. Sorry.
Ayan.
Naman trabaho ko, cameraman, tingabot pa ng tagay ang puto. Parang ikaw galer ko dyan. Ano sabi yan,
For information of everybody, si Danny Song po ang umahawak ng camera. So, oo nga. Hazards ng, ayan, yan. Kasya. Kasalukuyan pong minamanuobra ang isang, ilang seater ba tayo? Ilang seater ito? 50. Isang 50-seater bus ay kasalukuyang reverse na
48-seater.
48-seater po. Naliligaw. So, nagmamaneuver lang para makabalik sa aming tamang direction. Ayan.
There's this car that's been following us. That's been following us ever since we left. It's this black Audi SUV has been following us from the beginning. So now I want to know, who the hell is that guy? Why is he following me? No.
Narinig niyo po si Armin Bernardino. Quite suspicious of our itinerary. So, ayan, oo.
Sa atin, parang may sumusunod.
I believe that's HSBC.
Ito, interview naman natin yung president ng Hilti.
Guilty. Okay. Sige, okay. President. Ayan. Guilty yung malusog, ganyan.
Hilti.
Malusog. Okay, ayan. Okay. Guilty. Ayan, kasama ko po si Romel.
Kasi malicious.
According to Danny, si Romel ang president ng Hilti. Tell us more about Hilti, Romel.
Unang-una, hindi totoo yun. Hindi, nagtatrabaho lang ako sa Hilti. Mga power tools yung binebenta namin. So,
Dati ang hawak niya sa power tools na.
According to Danny, softy dati.
ayun, yun lang.
yung may-ari ng Gabriel Construction.
Okay. Ano ba? Sige. Gabriel Construction. Si June Gabriel.
Tagal lang nalugi.
Napasama lang ako dito. Hindi ako talaga kasama dito.
Thank you, June. Kahit napasama, we will not be complete without you, June. We are now with the valedictorian.
He's the valedictorian of batch 82.
Ayan.
Ano pare, Glee Club member.
Anong gusto mong tanongin?
Siguro, before we continue, I'd just like to thank June Arero for being with me, helping with me through the times that I needed a friend most.
Okay.
And
Gusto mo ikaw na i-interview? Ikaw na.
Teka muna, show ko to eh. June, thank you for gracing our event. Yan. Kamusta ba, June? Yan.
Yeah. Okay naman ako, Rom.
Ayan. Man of few words. Ayan.
Okay na.
Si June is currently an active.
Balfour?
Architect ako.
Ayan. He's an active practicing architect. And tell us more about your current activities ngayon sa
It
architecture.
depends on the project. Ay, okay na. Si Ram na.
Hindi. Isa pa, what would you say is your hallmark design?
It's about the architecture is a science and an art. Okay, tapos.
For more information, visit Nuge Facebook page. Thank you, June A. Ayan. Okay, Josel tayo ngayon. Ayan. Kitang-kita ko yung legs ni Josel. So, I'm now with Josel Del Castillo.
Yes, Rom.
Yes. Josel, what's keeping you busy here?
Let's say I'm one of those 12 million unemployed right now. Naghahalaman na lang.
Halaman? Halaman where?
Oh, backyard. Quezon City.
Okay.
Hindi, retired na. Retired.
Okay.
I used to be in the food industry and that's over.
In what way were you involved sa food industry?
In what way? The right lane.
Right lane? The right lane, okay.
Busy raising my grandchildren.
Oh, okay. So, how does it feel to be semi-retired and lolo?
Well, trying to cope up. It's fun and it's good.
Josel, medium term, short term plans.
Shorter plans, we drink tonight.
Okay, very short, very short, very short. A little.
Long term. More drinking.
So you now know what to expect in tonight's event, in today's event.
Oh yeah, and that will include everybody else. Yeah. Thanks, Ron.
Thank you, Josel. Thank you for being
By the
with
way,
us.
my first time to join the batch, and I'm really happy. And this won't be the first.
Thank you, Josel. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. Welcome. I pray that you'll be.
Don't be afraid. I'm not a ghost.
I pray for your continued presence in our band.
Okay, thank you.
Ano yun,
Thank you, Josel.
Thank you, sir. Okay. So we are now focusing welcome Rotonda. We are now in okay, so we now have an official welcome. Okay. We are not turning off the cameras, so we are still rolling. Yes. So please forgive the shots that Danny is making. But you are now, ayan. Yan. So this is a good time and place to record, to welcome ourselves dito sa aming batch picnic, no? Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Dodo.
Thank you, Dodo. So siya si Kapinpin, si Tomas Kapinpin. Tama ba? Tomas Kapinpin? Ayan. Mateo.
Ayan na siya, oh.
Teka, tama na. Nangangawit na ako eh.
Oh, hindi. Marlon. Orient mo naman kami.
Binabayaran mo ba?
Ganun ba? Ganun ba? O, sige. Ayan.
Binabayaran mo ba ako sa cameraman? Binabayaran mo ba yung cameraman?
Oo nga. Lugi ako eh. Lugi ako. Matinding editing to. Gusto ko sana walang editing eh. Ayan.
Lali na yung kilikili.
Okay. Turn off muna natin. Okay. Hawakan mo muna.